Hi friends, welcome back to FinveStocks. Today on the current situation of SVB Bank, that is Silicon Valley Bank collapse, we will see some of the stocks which are at key support level, where we can find some opportunity for swing trade. So here in this video, we are identifying 10 such stocks where we can find some opportunity for swing trading. Currently, market is under bearish grip. You know the reason. First one is the SVB collapse, that is Silicon Valley Bank collapse. I'm not going to explain further on that. There are some other reasons why the overall sentiment is also in a negative mode. Some of the global cues are US inflation data is going to come up, ECB interest rate decision will come up, and Chinese industrial production numbers are on the way. On domestic front, we will have CPI, WA inflation data for February. So market is looking forward for that numbers before taking a good move. Before going into stocks, we will just have an outlook of Nifty. So if you see current Nifty view, market is at 17,043. Last day it has fell by 0.65%. If you see the advanced decline ratio of NSE, it is in the range of 581 is to 1474. So it shows the overall bearish sentiment on the market. On the last day, Nifty 50 has fell by 0.65%, whereas BSE Sensex tanked by 337 points, approximately 0.58%, whereas Nifty Bank was down by 0.39%. If you see the global sentiment, US market were up on previous session. Dow Jones closed positively with 1.06%. S&P 500 was up by 1.68%. Nasdaq shown positive sign of 2.14%. On last day, European markets also closed positively. All were in the range of 1.16 to 1.82% range. Currently, after the yesterday's fall, SGS Nifty is showing mild positive. It is showing 17,200 at current situation. So today, market can open at a positive stand. But the chance of withstanding that gain is very minimal, as the overall sentiment of the Nifty is negative. If you see Nifty on daily chart, it is following a downtrend. It is making lower highs and lower lows. So it is clearly showing negative sentiments on the market on daily outlook. So to show positivity on this Nifty chart, it has to cross the trend line. If you see the 20-day moving average, it is around 17,600 and the trend line shows around 17,800. So market has to close above 17,800 to show good positivity in overall outlook. If you see the next resistance, the major resistance is coming around 16,800 level. So we can look forward for that next level for the market to bounce back. So one can add good stocks keeping in mind 16,800 as the base support. If it is not going further down, it can give a good bounce back from 16,800 level. So one should plan to buy good stocks at a staggered level starting from 16,800 going further. So similar trend is also showing in weekly chart also. Weekly chart is also showing a downtrend wherein the trend line is showing around 17,600. If it is crossing the 20-day moving average weekly wise, then it will show a good sentiment towards upwards. If you see on monthly chart, it is also following the same trend line wherein it has to close above the trend line to show positivity on long term. So overall we can see 16,800 as the major next support level. So once it crosses 16,800, then it can move further down. Else it can take a rebound from 16,800 level. So the first stock on the radar is BECTOR Foods. So as explained, in this video we are going to see 10 such stocks which are in a support level for some short-term trade. The first stock on the radar is BECTOR Foods. So BECTOR Food have two sub-brands. They are mainly into biscuits and other snacks which comes under Cremica brand, and the other one is English Oven which mainly concentrate on bread items. So if you see the overall outlook of BECTOR Food Specialities Limited, currently the company is having a market cap of around 3,000 crores. It's currently trading at a price range of 520 rupees. And currently the stock is having a PE of 54.8, which is much higher compared to the industry standard of 41.6. Why it is commanding such a high PE is because of decent ROCE and good ROE. So ROCE is in the range of 13.5%, whereas ROE is in the range of 12.3%. It is having a dividend yield of 0.44%, which is very good. The book value of the company is around 79.9 and the face value is 10. It is having a debt to equity ratio of 0.26, which is fairly good. It doesn't have any pledged shares, which is a good parameter. The company is having a sales growth of 30.8%, so it is showing good revenue, whereas the profit growth is around 6.6%, which is okay. If you see ROE for last 3 years, it is around 13.7%, whereas ROCE for last 3 years is around 15%, which is good. The sales growth for last 3 years is around 8%, whereas profit variation is around 18%, which is very good. Now let's see the technical chart of BECTOR's food. So if you see on monthly chart, the company is showing a good recovery from the lower levels. So it has touched around 250 levels. From that, it has shown a bounce back. At IPO, it was in the range of 570 to 600 rupees. So this is the IPO price from which it starts falling. The IPO launched towards the end of 2020. From there, the downtrend starts and it reached a point of 250 rupees. After that, it got a bounce back. So on monthly chart, it is showing good positive trend. And currently, the trend is maintaining. On weekly chart also, similar trend is visible. You see on weekly chart also it is showing a breakout at the level of 500. So once it crossed 500, it went up to 560 level. So before taking next uptrend, can show a reversal up to this level and it can again bounce back. This is the typical nature of any breakout. Once it has completed the rounding bottom pattern, before breaking out, it will give an upside, then it will come back or it will reverse to the base level and then it will go in new uptrend. Suppose if somebody is missing to buy the stock at this level, they should not miss out here because this is the level where it will come for a retracement and again it will go for a bounce back. So always remember, whenever a stock is breaking out, again it has to retest to the same level before going into a big uptrend. So one should capture at least at this point. This is one of the important pro tip. If you see on daily chart, currently the stock is near to the breakout level. So if you see here, one resistance is there. So once it's crossed the breakout level, it can go higher. So before going straight upwards, it can take a dip, it can take a reversal from the same base and again it can go up. So if you see the same trend, it is following for past so many resistance. If you see the first resistance, that first resistance is at around 333 range. So once it break out this 333 level, it went up to 375, then it came to that level, took a dip and again it tried to pass on the earlier high, but again it got unsuccessful. It came back again, it break out to that level and it went up. Similarly, if you see the second support level, that is here, so here also the breakout happens. It has taken a retracement near to this level, again it has went up. You see the third support level, that is up here. In this level also, once it starts breaking out, it came and retested to the level and it went up. Again the same thing experienced over here for this resistance. Currently the stock is around 520 level. Similarly, so the next breakout will be at 606 level. So at 606 level also, before giving a full breakout, it will cross the 660 level, again it will retrace back to 600 level, then it will give a fresh breakout. So just after breakout, one should not miss the retracement level. So for swing type of trades, this is a good entry level so that you can exit at say 5% profit or at 10% profit based on your strategy. If you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing this channel. Please don't forget to like, comment and share if you like the video. Till now, we covered all the technical analysis candlestick patterns, single candlestick pattern, multiple candlestick pattern, and different bullish and bearish candles. In our upcoming video, we will see more of technical indicators such as trend type indicators such as moving average, MACD, momentum indicators such as RSI, volatility indicators such as Bollinger Band, ATR, standard deviation, volume type indicators such as OBV, etc. If you have any comments on this video, please do post in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good day.